Hi, this is Ed Stockline from the Assembly Show. Today we want to talk about some of the benefits and features of our Benchtop workstation. So the Benchtop has basically all the same features that our normal EMAT press would have, but we also build a frame with some simple controls on it in order to fit into lab environments or some lower volume operator loaded type applications. So you get all the same great benefits of the control and the monitoring on the Ultra Pro side with our software. But one of the main benefits that I want to highlight is this is a really great tool for customers that are looking to do some initial product development, some initial R&D, to figure out what types of forces and what types of programming they need in order to make a good part. And then the best part about it is, since this is a production type setup, you can really copy and paste your programming and your moves and your tooling right over to your production equipment. So instead of working with, say, a science project where you're piecing together tooling and trying to make a good part with, what is essentially a science project, you can copy all of that stuff over to production using a production unit, same move steps, that type of thing. Comes with light curtains, a light button box which gives you pass-fail signals, and essentially you can purchase this unit, power it up, put some tooling and fixturing on it, and you can be running parts the same day. So check out the Benchtop press, and you can check us out at promessinc.com. Thanks.